Once again, maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Akong introduce ninyo ang ato ang mga judges karong gabi una. First judge, a graduate of Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science at St. Vincent's College, worked as network hardware maintenance at the provincial capital for 9 years. Looking for greener pasture makes him decide to take units in teaching at Colegio de San Francisco Javier. Took the license examination for teachers and passed. Has been serving DepEd up to present as ICT teacher at Katipunan National High School. No other than Mr. Rodil Phil. Pakpak po mo diya.